We are PinSav, tokenized decentralized Pinterest. Primarily, we're a team of 2 developers. Both are full-stack blockchain engineers, and we've previously completed Filecoin Accelerator with Encode, and we won multiple bounties from Gitcoin, which includes also Ceramic Bounty, and we won Fuel Blockchain Hackathon. So PinSav is a decentralized image sharing and content aggregation platform where users can not only control the content but also the platform itself. The problem that we're trying to solve with this project is that currently monolithic web applications retain ownership of user content and keep it siloed as a way to wall in users. Our application, in contrast to the big social networks, is that we are transparent, decentralized, and community-owned. The solution that we are proposing is the combination of decentralized governance and creator ownership of intellectual property to create new dynamics between content creators and form new, more meaningful communities. The architecture creates new challenges and opportunities to introduce tools that will facilitate the creation of these communities. So here is our demo, which you can follow the link here. We also deployed an instance on Spheron, on Skynet. The tech stack that we used is NextJS React, which primarily is deployed on Vercel because it's optimized for Next.js. But we also deployed an instance on Spheron. We wrote smart contracts in Solidity and stored the NFTs and made data on nft.storage and ipfs. Yeah, and we also used blockchain Polygon, but the primary instance was on Rust on new.